What's up, guys? It's Polish Bullet back again with another video. I know I had a very long break from YouTube and everything. A lot of things happened, and I just want to take it slowly. Christmas present, all the craziness, so I don't really have time to do it. It's okay. It's 2023, January 1st, new year, new resolutions. Hopefully everything gonna go good like it's supposed to this year. You know how it is. Going to the gym, lose weight, make better videos on YouTube, stuff like that. You know how it goes. So today, just a quick video. I want to show you what I do to clean my car, like a pre-wash. That was originally idea of my friend, Classy Act, Roger. So let me show you. I got two pump sprayers over here. One is for tires and wheels, and the other one is for paint. I'll show you how to do it. I explain a little bit what's going on, and yeah, let's get to it. You can see the car is properly dirty. Everything is covered. The wheels are dirty. Look at this, the whole panel. Everything's mamalas. So yeah, as you guys can see, it's a good opportunity to clean our car, right? And this basically happened when I left my car over here for a little bit over a week, and there was a crazy winter storm and everything, and I don't know how that even happened. That my car is so dirty, but it was parked literally, so I wasn't even driving it. So yeah, let's get to it. Let me show you how it's done, and yeah, we go inside the bay now. All right, we are inside the bay. So this over here is my pump sprayer. That one was around $35. It's 1 to 5, I believe. Brake buster, P&S with distilled water. So this one is Carpro lift it's pretty nice active foam. That's what's gonna help to remove all the dirt from the side of the car. Hopefully, we're just gonna power wash it. You can always use this as a pre-treat for touchless car washes too. So just so you guys know, this is not a super perfect detailing type of car wash or nothing like that. You just use it basically to remove all the salt and stuff like that from your car. So yeah, that's pretty important. Your car not gonna rust or nothing. And yeah, let's get to it. Look at that dirty ass car. Okay, so first we're gonna pump this little guy over here. All right. I guess I didn't pump enough. Let me get a little bit more. Okay, we're gonna let those tires dwell a little bit so the detergent can actually start working, All right. Okay, so now we're gonna use Car Lift Pro. We're gonna spray the car liberally. Let it dwell a little bit, and then we're gonna power wash it. It's not foamy. I did it like that on purpose so it can run down the car and take as much dirt as it's possible. By the way, this pump sprayer over here is from Harbor Freight. It's literally $7 or $6. So this stuff is not like super expensive, but it definitely helps to take care of your car. Definitely, that will help. Okay, let me go over the whole car and we're gonna power wash in a sec. Okay, as you guys can tell, look at the tires. All the browning is going out. So the foam is actually start to dissolve all the grime, dirt and stuff. Carpro lift is working on the car. I'm gonna wait a couple more minutes and then we're gonna power wash it. And then gonna check the results. Okay guys, check this out. We just got home. Look at that. I know the car is not perfect, obviously, but it still looks 120 times better. Seriously, the wheels are pretty clean. All this side over here looks really nice. Let me check the front. Oh my god, the splitter, the front bumper looks 100 times better. Wow, this thing works. Guys, there you go. You know, that's my little entrance in the new year. You know, nothing super crazy, nothing like that, but you know, just you gotta take care of your car, obviously, especially like in Chicago area, Midwest and stuff, bro. The cars get decimated by salt and everything. Sometimes I drive down the highway and I just look at the other cars. Nobody cares about them and anything. They just look horrible. I mean, I can't do it like that. So there you guys have it. I'm gonna link the products in the description. Sorry, blah blah. For last month, I guess. So yeah, I'm gonna link it in the description what I used today, and hope you guys can take care of your cars. You know, it's nothing super expensive. It don't take too much time, you know, but the car looks 100 times better and it's safe. So yeah, by the way, if you guys can, coat your cars with ceramic coating, even in the bottle ones, you know, or wax or something like that, especially for the winter. You know, it makes cleaning your car way easier, and you know, it's just not gonna rust that quick. You know what I mean? So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe. We're going back strong this year, and I see you in the next one. Bye.